powerhouse. It's all about performance. And you look at those three, whether you want versatility, you want that just beautiful design and every piece of intent light and thin, or you wanted that performance beauty and the beast product. Like that's how we talk about it. I get very excited to say that, but I think it's fun to give our customers an option. I think it's the right set of options for them too.
Well, it's clear that you're passionate about design.
Yeah, for sure.
Are you in the studio with the guys helping out?
Yeah,
The shape of
well, I'll
things?
say the team. Like we have a pretty dang good team, and like we have one of the most, I believe, I don't know, one of the most, but we have this incredible diverse set of talent. I spend a ton of time in there. It's a big one. Like you're in this. If you're into product making, you have to get into the design of these products for sure. And that's not just the products; it's the storytelling, it's the videos, it's the detail of everything that's not on the outside but on the inside with the engineering team. So, yeah, I think I get my time in there, and I'm pretty lucky to do so.
What I find interesting, look at this family of Surface products, is the things that aren't in there. So, for example, I remember talking to you a year or two ago about the phone products and the band products, and the band didn't get the designation because it wasn't designed to the same caliber, perhaps.
We are one of the biggest mental health providers in the country.
Who suffer with any mental health or disability related issues.
I think what makes us unique is the geographical footprint that we cover.
From North Cumbria all the way up to Berwick and covers Sunderland, Newcastle. There's lots of different locations.
And provide services to 1.7 million people. Mobility and being able to collaborate and communicate across wide geographic areas is really important to us.
When COVID hit and it became apparent that we were going to have a hell of a lot more people working from home, it was a worry, and then it became...
So are you seeing a space to enter into other areas and broaden out beyond just...
So we're always like, so when you're innovating and you're thinking about software and hardware together and devices and where the future of computing might be and what the form factors may be and how this world comes together, you're always thinking about other things for sure. Now, I'm probably not going to talk about future products or anything, but I will tell you that, you know, innovation doesn't end with the last product you ship. It really starts there.
Especially when you look at this mixed reality thing we were talking about here today.
Yeah.
A lot of new products from a lot of partners, but nothing specifically from Microsoft.
Yeah. I think there's think of it, I use the filter of our mixed reality work that we did in Windows was to coincide with the book 2 and its launch as well. So these products were built to bring our partner
Oh,